Hi there again. In this lesson, we are going to learn about what design build means. As many people have learned that general contractors or contractors is the buzzword when it comes to construction. Little do people know what a design build firm is. A design build firm is a general contractor or construction company similar to a general contractor, except that in a design build firm, you have key players, architects, designers, estimators, general contractors, or builders actively collaborating to bring you the best design project with the set budget amount with almost no cost overruns. In contrast to design bid build or design tender, design build relies on a single point of responsibility contract and is used to minimize risks for the project owner and to reduce the delivery schedule by overlapping the design phase and construction phase of a project. There are myriad benefits of using a design build firm versus a contractor. Design bid build or design/bid/build, an abbreviated DBB, also known as traditional general contractor, is a project delivery method in which the agency or owner contracts with separate entities for the design and construction of a project. To kick this off, in the design phase, the owner retains an architect to design and produce bid documents, including construction drawings and technical specifications. In bid phase, general contractors produce hard bids on these documents. In build phase, the architect also acts as the owner's agent to review the progress of the work as it relates to pay requests from the contractor, and to issue site instructions, change orders, or field orders, or other documentation necessary to facilitate the construction process. Failure of the design team to be current with construction costs and any potential cost increases during the design phase could cause project delays if the construction documents must be redone to reduce costs. Redesign expense can be disputed should the architect's contract not specifically address the issue of revisions required to reduce costs. Pressures may be exerted on the design and construction teams due to competing interests, for example, economy versus acceptable quality, which may lead to disputes between the architect and the general contractor, and associated delays in construction. Translation DBB typically takes longer because design and build are separate companies on separate contracts fighting over the same pie. In contrast to design bid build or traditional construction, design build relies on a single point of responsibility and is used to minimize risks for the project owner and to reduce the delivery schedule by overlapping the design phase and construction phase of a project. Design build also has a single point responsibility. The design build contractor is responsible for all work on the project, so the client can seek legal remedies for any fault from one party. How the Y2 design and build way mitigates the weaknesses of DBB. 1. Our design team is in-house and doesn't price projects. That is left to our construction department's estimator, so you always have today's price. 2. Disputes between architect, design, and GC slow the project and lead to expensive change orders. Everyone is in-house working on the same contract. The only change orders you will ever see is if you change your mind on scope/specifications/material selections after the design phase is complete. This is rare. 3. We provide complete transparency and do not mark up the cost of material, which is where 95% of value engineering takes place: material selection. If we were to win your business, this is what our steps will look like. Step 1, execute design contract. Step 2, measure meeting. Step 3, draft existing conditions. Step 4, scope check. Step 5, produce 2 concepts for a client decision. Step 6, produce 50% accurate estimate. Step 7, client meeting and red line changes. Step 8, produce design drawings. Step 9, draft specifications. Step 10, produce 80% accurate estimate. Step 11, client red line meeting and draw revisions. Step 12, quality control, architect if needed. Step 13, produce and present build contract. Step 14, produce construction drawings. With needed and timely client engagement, 1, 3 months depending on complexity/revision/client change of direction. At Y2 Design Build, we believe that your dream space and home should not remain a dream. With our commitment to luxury, speed, and convenience, we transform your vision into reality.